Okay, so we have just come back from Lisbon and this is week 6 of our bungalow renovation. We've just picked up the dog and I'm going to do a blind reaction to what's been going on at the bungalow while we've been away. Okay, so we've just got back and I've had a little look around. I think I'm going to have to get up on the scaffolding to properly show you what's been going on. So... okay, so something that they did do when we were still here on Monday and Tuesday is take off all the roof tiles so you can see kind of like through, where's a good place to show you? So you can see through here, you can see like right through to the felt. And yeah, all that was done on Monday and Tuesday. My doggy. Look gorgeous, you. And also the bricklayer had like completely finished everything that he had to do. So putting these pad stones in, and there was a pad stone missing that needed to be done up here as well. He also completed finishing that wall which needed patching up, and then there's like another pad stoney looking thing there. And then he also had to do quite like a lot of intricate little cuts all along there because there's a big gap there. So that was done. So the bricklayer has completely finished here now. So that means that the extension is done. I think we are waiting for some columns to be built here and here. I'm not sure when they're going up, but they'll be going up. And I think there's like reinforced steel in the bottom here, and they need to have steel columns there as well. So that's what happened when we were still here. I can also see like there's timber up there with these metal things hanging down. Don't ask me what that is. I'm going to see if I can try and get up the scaffolding to show you like what's been going on up there. Okay, so I also noticed that we had these like roofing battens delivered, although I have seen these inside, which I'll show you in a minute, being boarded up in the roof. And we also, I just noticed these have been put here, so I'm guessing they're ours, but they look like roof tiles. Okay, so I'm up on the scaffolding now, and as you can see that all the roof tiles have been removed, and there is a place for the steels here on top of the extension. So it's kind of good to see what it's like up here, really. It looks like there's loads of timbers over there. I also noticed that these battens are new. I haven't seen these before. And just popping my head up here really to see what's been going on. Looks like the steel beam's going straight through there, and then it is also going straight out the front there. And I'm guessing these pieces of timber are just here to support it. But we've got lots of wood up here, which I think I showed you last time. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We've only been gone for 3 working days, so yeah, and obviously as you can see all the roof tiles are completely gone. So, and also as well, just showing you what the bricklayer had to do. He had to fill in this big gap here with like small little offcuts of bricks. So yeah, the bricklayer is completely done. So we're getting to the point now where we've got to start thinking really like about fixtures and finishings, and where we want all our radiators, where we're going to get our bathroom from. I need to start thinking what skirting boards I want. It's starting to get... Hugo! He's so funny. But not today. Got back from Lisbon today and I need to go for a sleep. Too much drinking. Here that the bricklayer has actually bricked around the floor joists, and also here is the gap for where the steel is going to go to meet the ridge steel beam. Okay, so today more of the roof rafters went up, and I don't know if you can see, but more steels were installed here. I think that's going to be where the corridor goes upstairs. But yeah, so that's gone up quite quickly today. So I think, yeah, that'll just continue for the rest of the week, which is really exciting. I'll try and get a bit of a closer look now. Yeah, honestly, when we walk down the other streets, it honestly looks massive from the other streets. But yeah, it's starting to take shape now. I'm starting to see what it will look like. Okay, so inside I've noticed that it looks like they've had to take out a brick there and replace it with a pad stone, because I'm guessing each steel must have to go on a... Oh my god, well that scares me a little bit. If I came tumbling down, I'd be goners. Oh, just an airplane going over. But yeah, I've noticed that. And then if you come into the actual living room, you can see it from this side as well. But you can see the difference. So I always wondered why there was a pad stone there, and now it makes sense. And then yeah, there obviously needed to be a pad stone there, so that's been changed and a pad stone's put in there. I'm trying to think. So you can kind of see through here now, like you've got the steels going up there like that, attached to that one. I can still hear Hugo is literally barking in the back of like every video. Let's go and have a look at him. Oi! 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 Guaranteed he'll start barking when I walk away now. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly go up these stairs. Don't tell anyone. To see what's going on up here. Right, okay. So I'm guessing when we come up the stairs, they'll be here. You'll go that way to the box room and the main bedroom, and then you'll also go over there to the bathroom, and then in there is going to be the front bedroom, which, do you know, I'm kind of thinking the front bedroom is giving me like main bedroom vibes at the moment, because it just looks massive. But then again, that back one hasn't been built yet. But yeah, lots of wood up here. There's another steel. Like, I have no idea what that's for. I just feel like this whole house, like, it's never gonna fall down because it's just got so many steels. But yeah, you can see there, so there's one of these kind of like U-shaped or N-shaped structures, and that's the one that comes out there as well. So yeah, lots of good work gone on today. Start to see like visuals of things and like imagining like corridors and stuff. Yeah, it's exciting. So I think, yeah, that's one of the bedroom walls, first bedroom, and then the second bedroom must be in there, and then there's a box room here, so that's exciting. But yeah, I better get back down before I get told off. Oops. But yeah, if we come back outside, you can start to see the sun shining here in Cardiff. But you can see the roof is taking shape over the extension, which is cool. But yeah. Okay, so I think I'll leave week 6 there. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen why I was delayed in uploading week 6. It was because, unfortunately, the day we got broke in, I decided to stay over my mum and dad's house because Alex was away. So I decided to walk down there with the dog, and I had a can of Coke in my bag, and it exploded, and it completely wrote off my laptop. So I've had to edit this week and the last week's video on my phone, which I'm just finding quite challenging at the moment. So I took it in for repair 2 weeks ago now, rang them yesterday, they told me it would take 2 weeks. I don't think they've started on it. So like it's just like when things like, you know, we're doing something really, really costly at the moment, and I'm gonna have to go and buy myself a new laptop. And like with video editing, you can't just have a normal laptop, like you need like i5, i7 or whatever, or a MacBook Pro, so it's just not cheap. So that's another thing I'm gonna have to fork out for. But yeah, so I just wanted to explain why week 6 was late. I'm just going to post it the week after. I'm not going to try and post 2 in 1 week, because actually like some weeks I probably could do waiting a week, or having like a week and a half's worth of content. But I will assess the situation. If I feel like the weekly vlogs are getting a little bit dry, because just, you know, like things like First Fix Electrics, it's not exactly visual, is it? So I'll assess the situation on whether weekly vlogs are still something that you guys will enjoy. Let me know in the comments actually, okay, if you'd rather see more interesting stuff in a short space of time, like a monthly vlog rather than a weekly vlog, or if you like the weekly vlogs to see the transitions. But yeah, I'll leave that there. Thank you so much if you're still watching at this point. Let me know in the comments again what you'd rather see, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that really helps this channel grow. Okay, so I will see you next week.